Getting your HVAC system totally rebuilt, replacing asbestos ductwork, resurfacing your pool, rewiring your electrical system, and fixing a root-invaded city sewer line all at once is a massive home project. But knowing how to handle this kind of home renovation can save you a ton of stress and money. Alright, first off, when you're facing a total HVAC rebuild, start by getting a professional asbestos inspection because you don't want to mess with that stuff yourself. Super hazardous. For the pool resurfacing, pick a time when the weather will be dry for a few days straight. Trust me, rushing it only makes things worse later. Electrical rewiring? Always hire a licensed electrician who knows local codes and can separate your panels correctly. This isn't a DIY job. Roots in your sewer line? Get a camera inspection to see the damage before you decide if you need a full replacement or just some spot repairs. Budget everything carefully because projects like these can get pricey fast, and always have a buffer for unexpected costs. Also, keep track of all permits and inspections required by your city to avoid fines or redo work. Communicate clearly with every contractor you hire and get everything in writing so no one pulls a fast one on you. Lastly, don't forget to research reviews and ask for recommendations. It's the best way to find trustworthy pros who won't ghost you mid-project. One of the biggest mistakes people make with big home projects like HVAC rebuilds and sewer line replacements is skipping proper inspections. If you don't know what's really going on, you'll end up wasting money, fixing things that aren't even broken or missing the real problems. Another common issue is underestimating the complexity of electrical rewiring. Trying DIY or unlicensed work can cause dangerous hazards and fail inspections, so fix this by always hiring certified electricians who know their stuff. Lastly, rushing pool resurfacing without checking weather forecasts or using subpar materials can lead to cracking and peeling down the line. The fix here is patience and choosing high-quality materials and timing your work right. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who have proven skills for big renovations like HVAC rebuilds and sewer replacements. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by showcasing their expertise to people who really need their services, making sure everyone wins in these huge home improvement jobs.